Hi, I'm Vickie.
And I'm Joanne. Welcome to our kitchen.
Today we're making twice-baked potato casserole. It's a favorite of my daughter Emily, and we've taken it to so many potlucks and family gatherings, and everyone just loves it.
Well, what's not to love? It's got butter, it's got sour cream, it's got cheese. Of course, we add bacon. It's got all kinds of yummy things in it.
So let's get started.
These potatoes are already baked and cooled a little bit. So what we're going to do is we're going to slice them in half. We're going to use a spoon to scoop out the potato from the center, and we're going to add the rest of our ingredients.
Add salt, pepper, butter, and 1 cup of cheese, and beat well.
Then we're going to add milk, beat until fluffy, and cheese is melted.
Stir in sour cream and half of the onions. Spoon potato mixture into a lightly greased 9x9 baking pan.
Sprinkle with remaining cheese and onions. Bake at 375 degrees uncovered for about 15 minutes. You want to make sure that the cheese is nice and bubbly.
Look at all this melted cheese. And we've added bacon. That wasn't part of the recipe, but it's always a favorite part at my house.
Everything's better with bacon,
absolutely.
Right? It looks so amazing. Let's go ahead and give it a try.
Look at that. I love it.
It's cheesy and gooey and melted, just heaven. It's wonderful.
It's a surefire hit. Don't you think?
Crowd pleaser for sure.
Remember, you can find this recipe and thousands more on our website at gooseberrypatch.com.
And be sure to let us know if you try this yummy recipe. Thanks for watching.